Meaning of infidel.
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 Infidel. The word infidel is typically used to refer to a person who does not believe in a particular religion or has beliefs that are contrary to the ones held by a particular group. It is often used as an insult, particularly in religious contexts. The term has a negative connotation and is often associated with intolerance and hostility towards those who do not share one's beliefs. It can be seen as a divisive term that emphasizes differences rather than promoting understanding and cooperation between different groups of people.